In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add quotes around cell values in Google Sheets using two simple methods depending on whether you want to change the display or the actual value. Start with the display method. Select the cells you want to format, then go to Format, choose Number and click Custom Number Format. In the box, type @ and click Apply. This will instantly show your values with quotes around them, but the original data remains unchanged. Now for the second method, which actually adds quotes into the cell value. In a new column, enter this formula equals char 34 and atu under char 34. Press enter and you'll see the value wrapped in quotes. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of your list. This method is useful when you need the quotes to be part of the actual data. For example, when exporting or using it in other formulas. The difference is simple. Custom formatting only changes how the text looks, while the formula method changes the real value. That's it. You now know two easy ways to add quotes in Google Sheets depending on your use case.